If you want to make your Firefox browsing faster and more convenient, one of the best things you can do is add a shortcut right to your Firefox homepage. This is a simple way to keep your favorite websites just one click away every time you open a new tab. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a shortcut to the Firefox homepage in just a few easy steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open a new tab in Firefox. When you do that, you'll see your Firefox New Tab page, which is where your homepage shortcuts appear. This page is designed to give you quick access to the websites you use most often, so you don't have to type the same addresses over and over again. Now look for an empty tile on the page. On that empty space, you should see the plus button, which says Add Shortcut. Go ahead and click that button. Once you click it, Firefox will open a small box where you can enter the information for your new shortcut. In the title field, type the name you want to appear on the shortcut. This could be the website name, your favorite label, or anything that helps you recognize it easily. Then, in the web address or URL field, type the full website address you want the shortcut to open. Make sure the link is correct so the shortcut takes you to the right page every time. After you've entered both the title and the URL, click Add to save it to your homepage. Firefox will place the shortcut on your new tab page right away, and now you can access that website instantly anytime you open a new tab. That's all there is to it. You've now added a shortcut to your Firefox homepage, and you can repeat the same steps anytime you want to add more. It's a small change, but it can make your browsing much faster and a lot more organized. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Firefox tips and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.